Do you think it's possible to restore worn-out knee cartilage? Not with surgery, not with pills, but with ordinary food. Most people are convinced that once the knees start to hurt and joints begin to rust with every step, there's no way back. They believe pain is now permanent, movement will always be limited, and the constant fear of losing freedom is inevitable. But today, I'll share something that turns that belief completely upside down. The orthopedic surgeon we're talking about is 97 years old. Throughout his life, he's seen thousands of knees broken, inflamed and destroyed by arthritis, but most importantly, he's seen them recover. And here's what he says. One simple natural product can start the regeneration process in just 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right, 24 hours. And all you have to do is add it to your diet. I know it sounds like a fantasy. We've been taught to think of food as just energy. We've been told that cartilage can't regenerate, that aging always means pain, stiffness, and limitations. But maybe the key that can unlock us from this prison of pain is already on our plates. That's exactly what I'll reveal in this video. You'll discover the foods that literally lubricate your joints from the inside. The vegetables, fruits, proteins, and oils that restore cartilage, reduce inflammation, and can bring back that light, easy feeling in every step. But most importantly, at the end of this video, I'll reveal the #1 most powerful product that almost no one talks about. So make sure you subscribe if staying mobile, free, and healthy matters to you. And please watch until the end, because one of these points will shock even the biggest skeptics. And no, I'm not just saying that for intrigue. Some things seem too simple to be true, but their truth is stronger than any commercial promising a miracle pill. Let's begin. When people think about fixing knee problems, they think of pills, ointments, maybe even surgery. But few realize the answer could be something green sitting quietly on the kitchen shelf. Yes, I'm talking about broccoli. At first glance, it's just another vegetable. Some people find it boring. Others remember pushing it aside on their plates as kids. But broccoli is actually a natural shield for your joints, especially your knee cartilage. It's packed with sulforaphane, a powerful compound scientists call a natural joint protector. Sulforaphane slows cartilage breakdown by blocking harmful enzymes that eat away at your joints over time. It also activates the body's own repair systems, like flipping the switch for joint recovery. This is especially important after age 40, when the body's natural healing starts to slow down. I often picture our knee joints like gears. They don't just need oil to move, they need protection from rust. Broccoli is exactly the oil and the shield. The effect can start in just a few weeks. People who start eating broccoli regularly often feel easier movement, less morning stiffness, and less tightness in the knees. Including broccoli is easy, in salads, lightly steamed, or blended into a smoothie with apple. It's not just joint magic. It's loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K fiber, and plant proteins, exactly what your body needs to build stronger bones and reliable joints. If your joints could speak, they would thank you every time you eat salmon. When it comes to restoring cartilage, salmon holds a special place because of its powerful omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. Inflammation is the real enemy of joints. It silently destroys tissue, eats away at cartilage, causes pain, and limits movement. Salmon fights inflammation naturally. Its omega-3s act like a gentle but precise healer, calming inflammation and creating the perfect environment for your joints to recover. Salmon also provides top-quality protein, what your body needs to produce collagen, the glue that holds your joints together. This is crucial, especially after age 50, when our bodies make less natural collagen. The best part? Salmon is delicious and versatile, grilled, baked in salads, or even in sushi. Just make sure you go for wild salmon. It has more benefits and fewer additives than farmed. An orange is so much more than just a boost of vitamin C. Your knee cartilage is mostly made of collagen, and without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't produce it. Oranges flood your body with vitamin C, jump-starting the process of cartilage restoration and strengthening. They also contain bioflavonoids, powerful compounds that supercharge vitamin C's effect and naturally reduce inflammation. Adding oranges is simple. Fresh juice in the morning, slices in your salad, or just a refreshing snack. Kale is a true superfood for joints. It's packed with vitamin K and calcium, the cement and steel framework of strong bones. Vitamin K makes sure calcium goes where it's needed in your bones and joints, not in your blood vessels. It strengthens the joints and naturally lowers inflammation. Kale is simple to prepare. Add it to salads, smoothies, side GGG. Kale is simple to prepare. Add it to salads, smoothies, side dishes, soups, or saute it lightly with garlic for a delicious, healthy meal. Black beans, quiet, humble, but incredibly powerful for joint health. They're loaded with plant protein, magnesium, and zinc, all essential for building collagen and relaxing the muscles around the joint. Black beans also contain anthocyanins, natural anti-inflammatories that reduce swelling and protect cartilage. They're versatile and easy to add, boiled in soups, in stews, in salads, or even mashed. No side effects, no hidden chemicals, just real effective joint support. Blueberries, tiny but mighty protectors of your joints. They're rich in anthocyanins that actively flush inflammation out of your joints and improve microcirculation, ensuring nutrients get delivered exactly where they're needed. Plus, they're loaded with vitamin C and fiber, strengthening cartilage and helping your body absorb the right minerals. Add a handful to yogurt smoothies or simply enjoy them as a snack. They're delicious and they heal from within. Sweet potatoes, a true treasure for joint health. They're rich in beta-carotene, which speeds up cell regeneration. They also pack plenty of vitamin C, crucial for collagen production. The fiber in sweet potatoes not only improves digestion, but also helps reduce blood sugar spikes and inflammation. Bake them, steam them, mash them, even eat them with the skin on. Sweet potatoes hold their power in every form. Cold-pressed olive oil. This is liquid gold. It contains oleocanthal, a compound that works almost like anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the nasty side effects. Plus, olive oil is rich in vitamin E, which protects cartilage cells from oxidative stress, the hidden damage that worsens joint pain. 1 spoonful on an empty stomach as a salad dressing or blended into a smoothie, and you're already lowering inflammation and helping your body absorb essential vitamins. Chicken bone broth. This is the true champion of joint recovery. When you simmer bones slowly for at least 8 hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar, you pull out all the powerful building blocks your body craves: collagen, glucosamine, chondroitin, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. This is the full construction kit for joints. Just 1 cup of homemade broth a day can start cartilage regeneration, reduce stiffness, and speed up the healing of micro-injuries. Now you know knees can be restored. Not just with injections or surgeries, but with foods that work for you every single day. These aren't magic tricks, this is real biology. When you give your body the right fuel, it knows exactly how to repair itself. Your future free from pain begins on your plate. Don't wait for pain to force you to act. Start today, and you'll feel the return of what you thought was lost. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe. On this channel, we talk honestly about what really works and what can change your life starting now. Remember, strength isn't just in your muscles. True strength is in your movement, and movement begins with healthy joints. Take care of them, and they'll give you freedom, lightness, and longevity in return.